Hey guys, I'm Silverwolf, and this is an unboxing of the Bitzee Doghouse, which my friend, thanks to Caleb Chung, got me into. She did an unboxing on her channel and it looked really cool, so I thought I would do one as well. We don't actually have, it's Smith's Toys, and we don't have a Smith's Toys anywhere near us, but when I was in Manchester, there was a Smith's Toys, so I picked one up. They don't have them anywhere else, Amazon Entertainer or anywhere like that, so this is where I got it from. Also, I hope everyone had a nice Christmas, or whatever you celebrate at this time of year. I hope you've all had a wonderful time. I did. It was very quiet. We watched both the Die Hard movies, the first two, and then we proceeded to watch the others on the days that followed, so it was a nice Christmas. So this is the Bitzee Doghouse. I haven't done any Bitzee videos other than the original one because I thought it was pretty cool at the time. They have released different Bitzee ones. They've done a Harry Potter one, they've done a dinosaur one, and they've also done a hamster ball, and they've probably done others, but those are the ones I can think of. So this one is shaped like a little doghouse. It's purple like the original Bitzee. You can connect them for play dates, and there's a try me button. I picked this one up from the back of the shelf, by the way, because I didn't want the batteries to be flat, so yeah, I reached in and grabbed it from the back. They've got it in a million different languages because they always do. The contents, a quick start guide, and that's it. Contents is the Bitzee Doghouse and a quick start guide, and I'm hoping I won't need scissors for this because I haven't brought any in with me. So let's open it up. Just get my nail in the back there so I can actually get a grip inside it. I'm making a total mess of it, but there you go. So this is the instructions there. There's a quick start guide. I would imagine that's the colour one. And Doghouse itself. Pop those to one side. Right. I was going to get the hamster ball, but it's kind of big. I like this one because it's small, and I don't really want to be buying too many massive things to unbox. It feels like it's got batteries in it. It's also got a place here for a lanyard, so you can hang it around your neck. So have a look what you've got to do. I would say it's this one. Open it out. It's going to be massive, isn't it? Here we go. So I will show you quickly what dogs you can get. So they're all here. A corgi, a husky, a poodle, bulldog, a Shiba Inu, a terrier, a Pomeranian, a pug dachshund, and a chihuahua. The special ones are a kitty pup, golden retriever, rainbow dalmatian, and the legendary ones are a mer puppy and a doodle corn. And it wasn't actually in the camera. A doodle corn. They put corn on everything to make it a unicorn, don't they? Right. Get started. Press and hold the B button. Exit, try me, press and hold screen for 3 seconds. Okay, so. Oh my goodness. I guess that worked. Press and hold screen for 3 seconds. Did I just put it to sleep? I think oh no, there we go. Right. I'm still on try me mode. Press and hold screen for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm really not doing very well with this, am I? Okay, well, let's just say that I'm not in the try me mode anymore. Okay, that's it. That was the try me mode, okay. Turn off, press and hold B for 3 seconds. Press and hold B. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay. Okay, so it's a food. So that's feeding him. Okay. Oh, it's very loud, isn't it? I wonder if there's a way to turn down the volume. So what we have is corgi. So we've got the food. So 3. House, love meter, feed, games, dog park is connect, collars, so different collars, and there's the settings. So can I swipe this? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's just I've chosen that dog. Oh, there we go. I think 2 is enough. And back to the dog again. So what else have we got? Doghouse, the heart, the food. What's this one? It's toys, isn't it? Oh no, it's games, that one. Apparently I can't play games with him. Just give him a blue collar. Did he have a blue collar before? I wasn't paying attention. So we can't sort of play games with him. What happens if we press the doghouse? Oh, it's just our one dog. So it's fairly easy to navigate. Let's feed him again. What else did it say I could do with him? I'll throw a ball. Make him jump up and down. Throw a ball. Made him dizzy. Press and hold for 1 second. Oh, okay. Oh, he's got a green collar now. Oh, I got a gift. It's a ball. Oh, now I can play a game with him. Oh, I've got him to lay down. So the heart meter is up half. Just feed him because he's had a game of ball. Oh, I see. It goes into the little food bowl back there. Yes. So people were saying it was like Pixel Chicks. Do you remember? Anyone who may remember, it's like a little box like this with a background, and the hologram thing is over the top of the background, and the background's kind of like molded. I did a Pixel Chicks hamster review that I got off eBay a while ago, and yes, it is kind of like that. I like. Oh, he's wiggling his bum now, shaking the booty. Yeah, and I like that idea. I like that it's got like a scene behind it, but the little virtual pet is like a hologram sort of thing in front of it. It's pretty cool. I did this under lower light because I thought you'd be able to see the little character better, and you can. You can't see the background very well. I suppose you can kind of see it. I was going to use my ring light, but I decided not to because, like I said, I wanted you to see the little character in the game. So I'm guessing once his heart is full, and it's still only half full, that I'll play a game with him again. You'll get another dog. It seems to be quite an easy game. I'm just throwing the ball. And he gets one. So he does very well with the ball game. But his heart still hasn't gone up. So that corner throws a ball. What about this corner? I was just petting him. I think I've done all of the little things with him. I don't think. Is there any other type of food I can feed him, or is it just that one? Oh, it's just that one. Oh, there we go. The heart's gone up again. So I think it's basically just he's got a purple collar now. It's basically you just need to sort of like play around with it, and the heart will go up. And then you'll get another dog. I'm going to just pause this and see if I can get another dog. Instead of putting you through watching me just fiddle about with it, I will have a go. Okay, so he's got a sort of jeweled collar now, and the heart is full, and let's see what we get. Another dog. It's, I think, a Pomeranian. A little fluffy one. It is. So we've got a Pomeranian just popped out, and it just goes straight onto the next one, so you can care for that one as well. So the heart's empty, give her some food. See how she does with the ball. It didn't take long actually to get the corgi up to full heart level. I think much like the original Bitzee, it's not going to take long to unlock all of the dogs in this one. It does different things to the other one. Doesn't do the nose boop thing. It's just bouncing up and down. So what is my overall kind of review on this one? What do I think of it? Yeah, it's another nice little... Oh, it's telling me something. Okay. Oh, the dog's done a poop. How do I clear it up? Oh, okay. There we go. So I'm back on the corgi again. Because he pooped. So if I do this, I can get back on the Pomeranian. Yeah, no, it's a nice little fidget game. It's a small pocket size little virtual pet. I like that it's got the lit up sort of background thing there where you can see the little home behind the dog. I also like that the screen changes colours as well, so if you take the dog to the park it's green instead, which kind of helps you ignore the fact that that is all still in there. There's lots of dogs you can collect, which is another bonus. I think maybe after you've got all of them it may become a little bit kind of repetitive, but as with the original Bitzee, they still have needs and they still want you to sort of look after them. I think it's also nice in that it appears to be one of those virtual pets that isn't too demanding. So it's gone to sleep now. I imagine I can just go back to it like with the original Bitzee whenever I like, and they won't all have died or run away or, you know, things like that. So it's not kind of anxiety inducing virtual pet, whereas if you don't keep an eye on it all the time, something negative will happen. I like that you can put it on a lanyard. I think that's pretty good. I don't know what batteries it takes actually. Doesn't actually say. I would say it's double A's, possibly triple A's. It's not watch batteries, that's for sure. I'll actually have a look just so you guys know what it takes. It says, but before replacing batteries, turn Doghouse off or your progress may be lost. You can reset it as well. Doesn't actually say what batteries it takes. How weird is that? It tells you how to connect them. Oh, and the different toys you can get as well. I'll just show you here. You can get like a tug of war thing, your frisbee, there's the balls, there's like a cake, a tambourine for dancing maybe, and I don't actually know what that is. It looks like hairdryer and a soap. But I mean, bathing isn't exactly a thing that dogs enjoy, so. And then there's the needs messages where we've already encountered one of them because he pooped. There's the picture of him with his poop. And then there's how to connect them to others, which is what, thanks to Caleb Chung, did. She got 2 of them and connected them. I will have a look at the packaging just to see what battery. It probably says on the back of the box. You know, it doesn't say. How weird. Normally it says requires so-and-so batteries included. I would say it's probably AAA's that it takes. Anyway, I suppose it doesn't really matter. I just wanted to say what batteries it took, but never mind. Yeah, no, I think it's a nice little little game. It was £20, so I think that's a decent price for what it is, really. Yeah, it'll keep you occupied over the festive season. Well, it's not the festive season anymore anyway, is it? But if you got one for Christmas, it'll probably keep you occupied for a bit. And people will obviously have favourite dogs and things like that, so you can select which dog you want to play with, and, you know, that's what I did with my original Bitzee. I liked the poodle best, the little rainbow poodle, and that's the one that I played with the most out of all the little characters in it. So, yeah, I think it's got a fair amount of play value. I'd recommend it if you like virtual pets. It's something a bit different, and it's, I think, also a little bit sturdier than the original Bitzee, because of course the original one, and I will do a comparison video, but the original one is like a little sort of plastic hologram flap that you can actually tap with your finger to pet the animal or character, and it might be breakable, put it that way, whereas this one, it's all within its own little thing, and you can press the front of it, and it's kind of all contained within that, and that's a little bit more sort of like hard wearing than the first ones, and it's also a really different idea for a virtual pet. I like that too. Right, that's all for this video. I will do some more of this one, but if you want to see similar virtual pet videos, you can click the boxes below. As always, if you enjoy what I do, feel free to send me a coffee on Ko-fi or a YouTube super thanks. Links are in the description. It all helps, and that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.